Today, we are in Clearwater, Florida at Walker Ford for the Raiti's Ride's 500,000 subscriber celebration. Since Joe started his YouTube channel 3.5 years ago, Joe has created nearly 1,900 videos that have collectively generated 168 million views. Those are some impressive numbers. We arrived before the event started so I could speak to the man himself, Joe Raiti.
2 years ago, we had your 50,000 subscribers.
Crazy. It's crazy.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. If you really want to take it back to the first celebration was October 2018. That was 10,000 subscribers. And then we had the 50K, and then that 100K, and now here we are, 500K. It's crazy.
But at the 50,000, you were at 13 million views. You're at 167 plus million views.
It's crazy.
1,800 plus, almost 1,900 uploads.
Yeah.
If you uploaded every day to get to 1,800 plus, 5 years.
Yeah.
It's 5 years worth of videos. You'd be there in 5 years like a little hamster in a wheel. 5 years to post that many videos. It's very impressive.
Well, thank you. And the thing is, I can't do it without everybody's help. My wonderful videographer, Lori, also my wonderful wife, working the camera, also had other people come and help out with Tom and, you know, his Big Guns McGee. Remember Big Guns McGee?
Is he still in the picture?
No, he's actually, he went on to do his own thing, his own dreams. He's becoming a firefighter.
Oh,
so he's always wanted to be a firefighter. I can't blame him for that. So, but it's just one of those things that without everybody's support, it doesn't work. I could be posting 1 million videos a day, but if people aren't supporting and watching and really sharing the passion with me, it just wouldn't happen.
Well, you seem to have the perfect formula.
Well, thank you.
It seems like it's all one take. Is it one take, Mom?
Yeah, I mean, every time we do a part of the car, we do it in one take, unless something catastrophic happens, like you know, fire truck setting off. But even sometimes during the sirens, we still keep going. I mean, it's not about perfection. It's about being real and not trying to be a salesperson. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to share the passion.
And that's what it comes off as. You're not trying to sell anyone. You're just saying, here's this car. And what's good about this is these videos, they live forever.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to buy a used Kia Sorento 10 years from now, you go,
it'll be on there.
There you go. That's what it was when it was new.
It's great to have great people in my life like you and Jeanette. You know, without that, it doesn't make it fully worthwhile.
I still take you to the bathroom with me.
Well, good. It's a good place to be.
You're on the screen. That's my 5 minutes to kill. Okay.
That's right. Well, I appreciate you guys coming and sharing it with me.
Good to see you again. And look at all these cars coming in.
I know.
Spin the camera around. Look at that line, baby.
Super
Nice cars. So it's great to see you.
Thanks.
And I hope to see you at the million.
Many more.
The million will be coming soon, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
Joe Raiti, everybody.
Love you guys.
We had a fantastic time at Joe's 500,000 subscriber celebration, and I really appreciate him stopping everything he was doing to take the time to speak with me. Joe Raiti is without a doubt one of the hardest working content creators on YouTube. I have no doubt he will reach 1 million subscribers in the not too distant future. A ton of people came out with their amazing cars. I will showcase those in a separate video coming later this week. I hope you'll come back for that one. This is Frank from Car Story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to know when new Car Story videos are posted. Until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.